Hi, brother. I'm always seeing in TikTok, Instagram, YouTube like this in FB or about Filipina. I want to say something about Filipina. Did you know why they are always girl, 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 girl? Because we grow, we care too much like this. We stick to one like this. Of course, if you love Filipina, you must understand that we have different culture. Of course, we understand, but time to time, guys, you need to explain to them. Just explain like this because here, of course, if you like someone, anything like this, it's easy for you. For us, no. As long as if we love one, if we love you, then we love you. That's all. We stick on you. We're not like cheater. We don't like cheater, like this. That's why a Filipina girl will always, hello, how are you? Are you waiting? Are you like this? Because for you guys, you are just one of maybe part of your game or maybe part of your collection or maybe one of your girl that you really love or maybe, I don't know. Because, here it's allowed to love 4 girls or more. Yeah, like this. But Filipina girls, I want to say to you guys, if they say agree and love you and accept you, okay. Yeah, we're not perfect. We're not too much beautiful like other girls like this. But for us, it's normal for us. We ask you, did you eat? Did you? Because that's what we grow. Okay, we care a lot. That's why. Because for us, if we didn't care, if we didn't ask, for us it means we didn't love you, we didn't care for you, we didn't ask, did you eat, are you okay, guys? For you, maybe it's normal for you. uh, if your girls would never bother you, it's normal for you. For us, no, because we girls as a Filipina from the Philippines, as a Pinay, we grow up, or in our culture, of course, in our hearts, most of the girls, Filipina girls, will actually more caring like this. That's why you always say, they are like my mama. You like this. You have a headache. For you guys, for you, it's headache. But for us, that's why Filipina girl will be disappointed for you, brother, because you misunderstood when they just ask, is it okay, are you okay, did you eat, where are you right now, are you already okay, because we too much care.